These are the promises that enable you to share His divine nature and escape the world's corruption caused by human desires. 2 Peter 1. In view of all this, make every effort to respond to God's promises. Supplement your faith with generous provision of moral excellence, and moral excellence with knowledge, and knowledge with self-control, and self-control with patience and endurance, and patient endurance with godliness, and godliness with brotherly affection, and brotherly affection with everyone, with love for everyone.